Hello, welcome to this presentation on how to use ChatGPT for free. This is Dr. G. Narenthiran from Manchester as well as from Hershey, Pennsylvania. This is a presentation for the Neurosurgery Research Listserv. So what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is from the company OpenAI. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. ChatGPT is fed a very large amount of text data. Based on this text data, it can provide an answer to a question in a narrative manner that is grammatically correct and upon reading feels natural as if it were human's response. The latest version was released in March, and that was ChatGPT version 4. ChatGPT 3 is free upon registering at OpenAI website. ChatGPT 3 only takes text input. However, ChatGPT 4 can take both text as well as graphical input. However, the ChatGPT also can only output in text. So what does it mean to say that ChatGPT 4 can take graphical input? What it can do is that if you feed a photo of a child holding a balloon by a string, then it can tell you that if the string was cut, the balloon will fly away. But the response is again in text format. The ChatGPT 4 is a commercial product. It's charged around £20 per month to access it. And access is through the OpenAI website, which is openai.com. However, you can access ChatGPT 4 for free through Microsoft. For this, you need two things. One is the Edge browser on your mobile device or computer. The Edge browser can be downloaded from the web. You also need to have an Outlook or a Hotmail account. So the ChatGPT 4 can be accessed through the new Bing search engine. Bing is the web search engine for Microsoft. It's equivalent to Google for the company Alphabet. So once you have downloaded the Edge and installed it, you need to open the Edge web browser on your device. Then go to bing.com. You will get a notice whether you want to use the new chat feature or a link called chat, and if you click on it, it will ask you for your Outlook or Hotmail account login details. When you have typed them, then you will be presented with a pane to type in your question or verbally ask your question if there's a microphone icon. A question I recently asked is, tell me what are the things that I would like about West Virginia. And it generated a textual answer, which my friend Dr. Sedney said was pretty accurate. So is ChatGPT the only game in town? No. There are many other AI chatbots available. The big rival is Bard from Google. However, currently you can only register to be on the waiting list to have access to it. I also listed the other AI chatbots that are available on this slide. So what's the principle of ChatGPT? This AI bot or the similar bots essentially use statistics to figure out what should be the next word. And through this string together words that are grammatically correct. As I understand it, the ChatGPT is now available in languages other than English as well. the ChatGPT generates this textual answer through an algorithm. Humans obviously can see the output but can't quite figure out how the answer was put together, what was the logic of it for sure, with the absolute certainty. The text in some ways is self-generated. Moreover, it would appear that these AI bots are exceeding the intelligence that were expected of them. This is concerning, and particularly so as humans do not know how they are achieving more than what was expected of them. These AI chatbots are going to have positive and negative effects, as Dr. Sedney mentioned. However, they are here to stay and may as well make the most of what it has to offer. I hope you have found this presentation useful, and also helps you in getting onto ChatGPT 4. Thank you for your kind attention and wishing you a good day. Bye for now.